Ecos Women Football Club kesi abongo si ai lang amunyete na angor kotoma docket tight naka Women's Elite League. Club ngol loda idukunitai koi bugalo soroti nesi aponi inyakunai ai lang amunyete adopted no kwap akaulona ai menekes aswame jok okarukala tubor Irene Among Angarani Kinton Abodakanu Ecos Women's Football Club ngese balebe ekapakina lokesa na adolere adoketait Uganda Women's Super League.
Jamu no bala bunya yatakila itugumu timu doda iwom tiboni be anu sako sabongor na bongor bobo elite. It was through unity, good management, Keda team spirit. We all worked hand in hand.
Silas Paul Engesu etutoloko Ecos Women's Football Club ngesi Keuntebe ekapakina lokesa na anyinebe itemokinete apagan no da potu ijakis inyakuno kwap.
We know this other team that we have Namani cannot help us. We have to reinforce, and then the other thing is like we are going to work on our technical bench. We have been having only one vice coach, but now we are going to add, and then also the other team management side, we have been promised that we are going to have some good resources that will see us have a smooth season.
Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV East Koibuga Soroti.